We thought it would be cool to have our own Floppy Guy, so we tried to make one. The fan came from a bathroom ventilator. The box is made from an IKEA drawer bottom and an assortment of other materials. The Floppy Guy mount is a custom 3D printed part. And the Floppy Guy is from a science kit. Now we will show you the Floppy Guy in action. As you can see, our Floppy Guy didn't work very well, but that didn't stop us from having fun.
Look at me, I can do it! I'm gonna take a nap now.
Thanks for watching.